Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PRTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Quite the eventful day today on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some areas of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that level, to offer up a little bit more context, got to squeeze things down, is this former area of resistance, which you now want to see act as support. And that's right there at $3.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If $3.75, if the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be an impressive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving, I get it. The price is way up there. That line's way down there. But as the name implies, as the week continues to play out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. This right here is how I am defining, quote unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 375 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance moving forward? Nothing fancy or complicated here, other than the fact of where the party finally stopped today, and that was right up there at essentially $4.50. So $4.50, public enemy number one going forward. Although as of right now, because this was I'm not going to call it a crash because that wouldn't be accurate, but a relatively nasty pullback here. So the big question mark, going into Wednesday is, does this pullback, is this the start of something much deeper, or is the price going to at least consolidate out? So don't get me wrong, it's not like 450 has to be broken on Wednesday or Thursday or anything like that. What would be just as healthy is for the price to go sideways and show that, it can maintain all these gains that was, put into place today. But overall, a lot of volume scanners were set off today, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum over time or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.